Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be guiding you through the process of logging into your Leadpages account with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you are a new user or have an existing account, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smoother experience. Step 2. Navigate to the Leadpages website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.leadpages.com. Press Enter to go to the site. This is the official homepage of Leadpages. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the Leadpages homepage, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your credentials. Start by typing in the email address associated with your Leadpages account in the designated field. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, move to the password field. Carefully type in your password. Make sure there are no typos, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 6. Stay logged in, optional. If you are using a personal device and want to stay logged in for future visits, you can check the box that says Remember Me. This will save your login information for easier access later. Step 7. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button below the fields. This will take you to your Leadpages dashboard if your credentials are correct. Step 8. Troubleshooting if needed. If you encounter issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Now you're all set to start creating stunning landing pages and optimizing your marketing efforts through Leadpages. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.